What's up guys, Amanda Ray here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to Cal's, my tuner, to retune the Cadillac after putting the ported Jokerz blower on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start for you and let's get the day started. Stuck on a high RPM for an idle. To get it to go down, I just have to put it in neutral and then put it back in park, and it will typically readjust itself while it warms up. I'm not sure why it does that. I'll have to talk to Cal about that, but we're gonna let her warm up and then we'll head out. Alrighty. Guys, we are here at Cal's. It is just now finished strapping down, ready to go. Fingers crossed there's nothing wrong. So we will see what her new number is. Drop it down below and let me know what you think. This is officially poll number 1 on the Cadillac with the Jokerz ported blower. Let's see what new number she puts out. So the first poll had a misfire detection, didn't say what cylinder, so he's going to turn on the misfire detection on the tune, so that way he's going to do another poll and figure out which cylinder it's coming from, and then we can check it. It might be just like a loose wire. We over-checked everything. It doesn't feel loose anywhere, so we're going to do it again to see which cylinder it's coming from. So the second pull on the Caddy was 753, which is not bad, but it still had a misfire. So we decided to pull the plugs, and this is what we found. So we're not sure if that got damage being put in or pulled out. We didn't find any pieces on the floor, so we're assuming we damaged it when we put it in. I'm gonna check the floor at home when I get home. But we got new plugs in, and we're gonna try and do another pull and see what happens. Alright guys, so this is the last pull on the V. The last pull that we had, we did 753, but it still had a misfire. I showed you the spark plug, so now we're gonna go ahead and show you the last pull after we change out the spark plugs. Everything is good to go now. Let's see what her final number is going to be. I'm back home with the V, guys. The official number of the Cadillac with the Jokerz ported blower is 758. I'm super happy with that number. Now I do think with like a DDP intake and a bigger throttle body, maybe it'll make an extra 35 horse. We'll see. Cal's really talking me into it, so I'm probably gonna end up doing that very soon. I will be hitting the track probably on January 5th. I think is the first test and tune in January of 2022. So I'm just gonna enjoy the holidays, and I'll see you later.